Outcastic potato. Now check this out. If I click on images up here, I'll go to Google Images. And you might be wondering, what can you do with Google Images? Well, let me show you. You see, you could search for any image right here, like any image you see. Like say for example, I found this profile picture from some random person on Discord, and then I put it on my profile picture. I thought it'd be interesting. Anyways, you look at the snipping tool. You take a snip of the picture and you save it. As you can see, I did right here. I'm gonna name it image.jpg again, because that'd be funny. Okay, so image.jpg, you search it, you upload the file, and look at that. I found art. So I hope you can find this useful, you know, if you're looking at someone's profile picture and you're like, wow, that's a cool profile picture. I want that profile picture. And you don't want to just get like a really low quality version of it like this, then you could actually take a snippet of this and upload it to Google Images, and then you'll find the original source, you know? And obviously when you download it, it's gonna be nicer. So thank you for watching.